Hey there YouTube. Today I'm going to be doing a video review on this Philips Norelco Clean Shave. It's model number 6500. It is item number 1445013 and it has a 2-year warranty. The main value in this package is that it includes the replacement shaving heads. And I mean the case is handy too, but it has an extra set of heads which are expensive. Here is the case and the shaver. It says don't plug it in and shave. It says shave when it's unplugged. Okay. So I wonder if this will work with a dead battery and plugged in. That's kind of important once the battery goes. I will try that out. It is rated IPX7. I don't know if you can see that. It means it should be relatively waterproof. Whoa. Okay. Charge the shaver before you use it for the first time. Charging takes approximately 1 hour. You cannot use the shaver while it is charging. Well, that kind of sucks. You know what? Maybe technology has improved and the batteries in these don't die that often. I had my old shaver for about 5 years and it's a plug-in model, and I hope this one lasts that long. Okay, as promised, here are the extra shaving heads. A little brush. The little mustache trimmer. And the AC adapter. I'd say about 2/3 of this box is empty and just makes it look like there's more stuff in here than there actually is. I just can't get over how big this box is and how little is in it. Anyway, so I can't shave right now, so I will charge this for an hour and continue filming. It's like, well, sorry boss, I look like a scrub, but I forgot to plug in my shaver, which doesn't have a charging dock, and so therefore I couldn't shave. Brr. So, it's plugged in. Let the charging begin. Alrighty, so I let it charge for longer than an hour, actually. I kind of forgot about it. I'm going to shave my beard, which has grown. And to do that, I need to replace the head here. So there's no real release for the head. There's a release button right here, which allows you to change the actual cutting heads, but it doesn't actually pop this off. It's kind of weird to pull this off. You literally just pull it. It feels like you're gonna break it, but that's how you're supposed to do it. So I will put this shaving head on. Just like that. Let's try it out. Enjoy my chin. Alrighty, so I finished up the other side, and it really makes a difference having a sharp blade. That was much quicker than with my old shaver. But you see I still have the stubble here, but now I'm gonna knock that down with the actual shaver. Okay, so it's been about a month and a half since I started recording this video, and I kind of forgot that I started it. Wow, it's actually been over 2 months since I started recording this video, and it is now December 17th. But I guess I'll finish it now. So far the shaver has been working great. The only real flaw I've found in it is that the actual shaver, like the cutting blades here, are really far from the edge of the shaver itself. So when you're like shaving your nose, like up in here, sorry for my face, but when you're shaving up in here, not your nose hairs, but like the hairs close to your nose, you have to like shove the shaver up your nose to get those hairs, whereas like on my other shaver, the cutting blades are really close to the edge, so I could get up closer to my actual nose. I got those little whiskers. This is a Remington, I don't know, but it's pretty old, it's corded. But anyway, it's dull. So this was an upgrade as far as not ripping out my hairs anymore because the blade wasn't dull. And the whole thing where you get like a whole extra set of blades makes it really worth it. Sorry if I keep looking over here, there's a mirror. Gotta say, I don't really use the turbo mode. The turbo mode really like will rip your hair out even though the blade is sharp. So I just leave it on the normal mode and it works just fine. I don't know what it is about the turbo mode, but it rips your hair out. Actually, I need to shave. And you can kind of see it doesn't get super close. It gets just as close as my old shaver, but I think that's just what you get for an electric razor. If I'm wrong, post in the comments with a better shaver. But it does leave these little like double hairs, you know, like the hairs that grow in side by side. It won't cut those, but my old shaver didn't either. All right, so to finish up this review, the shaver's good enough, but overall I'm happy with it. I was on the fence about getting a battery-powered shaver, and I really shouldn't have put it off as long as I did because this works really well. It's nice not having the cord. It's nice not having the cord flap around. And I think by the time this battery dies, it will be time to throw it away anyway because the blades will probably be unobtainable. These things are like the definition of planned obsolescence. If you want something that's buy it for life, maybe get a straight razor. This is on sale at Costco now for $65. I can't remember what I paid for it 2 months ago, but it's on sale right now. It doesn't have a star next to it yet, so it's still available. So hopefully I upload this before they stop carrying it. Thanks for watching.